Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share another video with you, which is very important interview questions, mostly asked in all the interviews, especially in the second round or managerial round or techno managerial round type of interviews, and especially those who are applying for a bit senior positions. Without wasting time, let's get started. Again, I would like to mention over here that here nothing is wrong or right. If somebody asks me these questions, how I'll answer this question, that I'm going to share with you. And if you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Please support my effort. And if you want another video like this, then please do comment in the comment sections. Also press on the bell icon so that you get the notification first when a new video comes into my channel. Now let's get started. The question is, suppose you are a Power BI developer, what you will ask to the client before starting off a project? Okay, so the first thing which comes into our mind, that is the question that are we going to get any sample reports, any sample types of things which is earlier done, or like that what client is expecting, that type of thing we are going to get or not. Second is what type of access, that means basically here license, here we can say that which type of license will be given. The next means whether it is a pro license or Power BI premium license or premium per capacity. These are the three licenses which is provided usually. So which type of license we are going to get, that question we should ask. Next, all the credentials and access, that means the license will be available before starting of the project. So this is one important concern. So before going to start a project, are we going to get any workshop or KT? KT means the knowledge transfer. So somebody from client sides, maybe they are the especially business analyst people are there. And if sometimes a client is having also business analyst, data analyst, entire team like that, data engineers type of thing. So whether we are going to get any workshop or KT or not, that is the question. Whether details of the data will be provided or not, like means details whether the data dictionary is properly documented or not. So all the data dictionary will be provided on time, whether that is there or not. If a data dictionary is there, means so proper documentation is there on the data or not. Next, details about data sources and details of the data engineering calculations will be at the source level or at the PBI end. So this is very important because when we go for direct query mode, so that time we know that lot of restrictions, lot of limitations are there. We cannot apply most of the DAX functions. So in that situation, most of the data cleaning and data transformation needs to be done at the source level, that is at the database level. So for that situation, data engineers and SQL developers need to do a lot of things at the source end. So in that situation, Power BI developers don't need to do a lot of things at the source side. But if that is done, that is then it is well and good. If that is not done, then that should be done by the Power BI developer in the Power BI data model itself. So that is one important question here. So next question, which type of connectivity mode? So whether it is a direct query mode or it is a import mode. And sometimes we have seen that the mode is dual mode, like sometimes we have seen the situation is like the fact table is coming from database. This is, and if the volume is very large, so we use direct query mode. But some flat files are there also, because some dimensions tables are there in the flat files, that is import mode. So in this situation, the mode is dual mode. So it may happen that entire system could be direct query mode or dual mode, or if the data size is small or medium like of thing, then we can go for import. We usually go for import mode. So which type of connectivity mode, that is very important, because based on that the entire design will depend on that. Next question is, can we use custom visuals? So this is also the concern which should be approved by the client, because if client wants custom visuals, then we'll go for it. We can go for it. Otherwise, we'll go for only with default visuals, which are provided by Microsoft Power BI itself. Then a PBI reports in production will be taken care of by us or your team. So that means we know that as a developer, we don't have access to the production, right? So production is mostly taken care of by client side, the people in the client side and the team in the client side. So that is one question, whether prod will be maintained by us or prod will be maintained by client side team. Is this a development project, enhancement, or migration? So this is another important question, whether this is a development from scratch or this is a already existing Power BI reports are there. We are going to improve as per the requirements or as per the need, or this is a migration project, like the reports are already there in means developed in some other software like ClickView, Tableau, Looker. Now the client want to migrate to Power BI. So which type of project is this? Next question is, what will be the data refresh frequency once moved to production? So after when one production starts working, what should be the frequency of the data refresh? Because we know that when the data size will be a little large, so it takes time. So based on that, we should take care of the schedule refresh. So this is one important question. So what should be the frequency of data updation? Next, the last but the not least, number of users using reports at production site. So that is one important question, because we know that Power BI report means performance of Power BI report also depends on this thing, that how many users at a time trying to retrieve or page the report. So based on this, we need to we should take care of about the performance optimization of Power BI report. So this is one important questions in so when we are concerned about the performance. So these are the most important questions before starting off a project we should ask to the client. I hope this video will be helpful to you who are applying for the Power BI jobs. They can crack the interview. Okay, thank you. If you need any other video like this, please do comment in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.